Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Guys, today we are back again with another African food mukbang. We are back with fufu with okra soup and chicken and fish. Before we start with this food, let's thank God for providing this food for us. They close your eyes, let's pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you for providing this food for us. Thank you for the long life and good may continue to provide for us. Also continue to provide this while watching us. For us, forgive us as well. Provide for your friend. Give us our sins. Also forgive us. Not to forgive those now. Not to bear the challenge to your sons. Amen.
Amen.
Are you trying to go? So guys, this is our washing hands.
Guys, as you can see, my hand already been washed and clean. So please, guys, come close and just eat together as one big family. As we normally do this. Let's go.
Martin is eating fufu. Me, I'm eating gari, which is 6 to 6.
You're eating Eba?
No, baby.
Which one? Which one are you?
This one is Santana. This one is cassava. Cassava food.
Just keep putting me there. No, why they keep putting me there? I'll do that too.
Go to you.
Yes.
It's hot.
It's hot. Super hot, fully hot.
People like that cold and cold.
The one that's what they call it.
used to work fast. I think you work slow.
You don't take Carola.
No, not fast.
Okay, it's not fast.
You need to go
You need fast. You cannot do fast. If you don't talk Carola.
You not fast.
Huh?
Use that.
Okay. You can't meet her, not do anything. You can't meet her, not do anything.
I said to my leave fast.
You too.
Only she not will do. If you can go to school.
You give her phone.
You go to me when I talk for you.
I want only you want to the house.
She go stay.
Okay. I don't want your story. Because in my life, I want to hear your story.
I don't cross the border for that traffic. Only one can go.
Only brother one can go to school.
For that traffic, for that wedding can go. I will work at the club.
Who go stand with her when you enter?
And at this be problem. Don't enter the problem.
I don't want to hear you know enter school.
Why you enter school?
I don't want to hear that story. That's what I tell you now. That's the reason why you did ask with them. Why you story? Wait, I don't lie you.
No, if I use more problem. My chest. I'm probably not too much for the food.
I don't eat the fish. Fufu see the hot. Fufu see the hot. Everybody get
Now I
one.
know what to do. You know, see. The food has come out from pot. Anything wrong can never go wrong for where I do.
Yeah, continue.
This is them at the top of soup. That place with the draw well.
Which place be that?
The way house.
But you know the draw.
Not one top. No matter how it works, you know the river they draw.
What you mean?
I don't know. Maybe you know the top is supposed to touch.
No. You know the do what you're supposed to do.
That's it also for that particular place.
You don't do it in jungle. What happened?
Just,
Drink water.
I go full.
You never do food.
I'm not finished the soup. If you like this, I don't full.
You meet here now. You let them food. You see
I think it's
that?
a meat food.
Okay, you see the space for the meat. You got the rough.
Oh.
Nana you want to double bitter.
What should I tell me you buy? You not buying for the children.
Which thing?
What is the use of the money and the earrings? You not buying for them.
You don't tell me.
I think you don't finish now.
Only
That level.
you don't tell me so you buy that one.
I say you don't finish. You say you forget. You remember? You say you don't forget though.
What can you do? Okay. When I can read the shower.
I should brush normal place.
I dey rush before I read the second one. You don't wait.
I think you don't in the shower. As you guys said, not know what.
You don't put clothes for outside now.
I put forward.
For the row.
The foot mask now.
The food, I don't carry on. Don't wait with the towel. You need that to do. I still put down for the row. That's not for the row.
I even there, I don't even know say they call.
You can forget to call you.
If the person is there, I think they don't get fine. Unless they drink please. Every day
You don't lock everywhere now. Here was locked.
I want to try the compressor code.
Now you lock everything.
But when I cook, I leave everything open.
You don't never stop now. It starts almost to 7.
Because I even go backyard.
You don't lock everything.
I even go backyard.
That's what coming from to this time. Those times I've been in the house. I mean, you know, talking.
You go to us.
I'm not going to talk about
I don't know why every day now. They think they want them.
now, racism with them now.
Even for Nigeria, already for.
Racism with them for you.
It's already for. It's not 7 days.
Yeah, July, everybody. September, October, November, December. Now they fall.
Not the same thing for a while.
No, after June, July, they fall. Where?
June, July, then they fall. June, July. They'll go take August break 1 week.
Yeah, no, June,
They'll continue
July.
again. If they take August break 1 week, the rain, after 1 week, the rain will come continue. They fall. But you know if you go out, if you get food for house, you will manage your food. But if you know if you go farm, you know if you go anything. No matter how people really fall, market not the move.
Over here.
Market not the people don't go come outside and buy something. Oh, guys, I am so tired.
That's all. No,
School runs. Don't start.
no, sir. Yeah, sorry.
If you do that, there's problem. School starts for Hala.
Now this milk really white now gone. That's too much.
It's too much.
But
If it's school close, you go to shout. You will be screaming on top of your voice. Stop. Don't do this. This I will come outside and say, Mommy, Junior push me. Junior knock me for head. Mommy, Junior say shut up. Mommy, Junior say sit down. Mommy, Junior say get up.
that's pretty long. Everybody pass through all those things.
But Junior will say, Mommy, please. What is all this?
You know what you do to your mommy?
If you are listening, you say, Mommy, Junior don't want to give me the phone. You say, Mommy, wait this, I should wait 5 minutes. Mommy, Junior do like this. Woo. Mommy, please call me chicken.
That's okay now.
God. What is all this? Unnecessary. If you want to eat, carry. Unnecessary complaining. What is Mommy, Junior, call me chicken. Just unnecessary complaining. If you want to sleep, they will not allow you to sleep.
This one is fresh.
They will not allow you to sleep. Okay, come, let's go to bed and sleep. No. They will disturb you. In fact, the sleep will come out from your eye. You're not able to sleep again. But in the night, come and see them how they are sleeping, scattering their leg everywhere. 6 o'clock, they're not going to school. 6 o'clock, until they don't wake up. Their eye will be their eye will shine. I said they never sleep. They just wake up from bed now. You see, their eye will shine like torch lights. It will shine like this, my ring light. But school days, you will wake them. They will find it very difficult to wake up. This life no balance. If you look all the while, even the association say we go there. Who say you know you born? No. Who say you know? Because if you don't get it, you just on your own. No stress, nobody disturb you. No. It's not easy. Just live your life. They go normal life. Nothing to you. If you even like acquire something, don't concern anybody because you don't go acquire.
Guys,
You don't need the soup. What if I cook a soup? You don't need the
I will off camera. I don't want to make the video be super long. You understand? So guys, as you can see, we don't finish demolishing the food. The remaining this
I
one,
demolished to take my chair.
I'll eat it off camera because you don't want me to be just be super.
It's not eating anything. Don't be the food. You don't
No,
eat anything.
so never be okay.
You go through.
No, I'm not going to food. I'll see carry that boloko.
So guys,
Step and
if you
down.
watch up to this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till we go next time with another Fufu Mukbang. Stay blessed and say bye from the Hot Pot family. Bye guys.
Bye guys.